Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working in Conan Exiles Enhanced on PC. Follow these solutions step by step, and your controller should start working properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable or disable Steam input. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Find Conan Exiles Enhanced. Right-click it and select Properties. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Now find the drop-down menu called Override for Conan Exiles Enhanced. Select Enable Steam Input. Now launch the game and test your controller. If your controller still doesn't work, go back and change the option to Disable Steam Input. Then launch the game again and test it. Solution 2. Configure Steam controller settings. Open Steam again. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Click on Pair and Manage. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Now locate External Gamepad Settings. Configure only the controller you use if you use an Xbox controller. Find Steam input for Xbox controllers and enable it. If enabling it doesn't work, try disabling it instead. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support, set it to not enabled. If that doesn't work, select Enable in games without support. If you use a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, you can apply the same method for those controllers as well. You can also try installing the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver final step. Now launch Conan Exiles Enhanced again and test your controller. One of these methods should fix the issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.